Hello, Namaskar. I am Dr. Murali Manohar. Welcome to my lecture, Ayurveda Samhita. In this program, we will be learning and knowing about an important topic and some powerful ancient Indian Ayurvedic secrets. These can change and improve your entire life. In this program, let us know about amazing plants for heart health. The heart is the key organ in the circulatory system. Its main function is to propel blood throughout the body. If the heart is unable to pump the blood properly, it may cause severe illness, including cardiovascular problems, heart attack, etc. In traditional Ayurvedic medical system, there are many medicinal plants that play a vital role as a tonic to the heart and circulatory system. These plants nourish the heart muscles and help in vasoconstriction and vasodilatation, which in turn helps in proper functioning of circulatory system. Medicinal plants such as Terminalia arjuna, Allium sativum, Punica granatum, Ocimum sanctum, Curcuma longa, Borevia diffusa and Withenia somnifera etc. are known to have cardiotonic properties. A great number of researches and findings have been made in recent times about these medicinal plants having potential role in many heart-related ailments. Now, let us know about Arjuna. The botanical name of this wonderful plant is Terminalia arjuna, and in English it is called Arjuna tree. Coming to the action of this plant, Arjuna is used traditionally for the preparation of many Ayurvedic remedies for the diseases of heart. It nourishes the heart muscles and helps in vasoconstriction and vasodilatation, which in turn helps in proper functioning of circulatory system. The bark contains glycosides which keep tonic effect to heart functioning. It is also high in coenzyme Q10, which improves heart functioning and is said to lower blood pressure. It also helps in decreasing angina attacks. Arjuna enhances prostaglandins and lowers risk of coronary heart trouble. There are certain formulations. Terminalia arjuna is a miracle herb which was used during ancient times to cure heart problems. Even in ancient Ayurvedic literature, Vagbhata and others have described the extract of bark of Arjuna as a tonic and astringent. They have recommended it for the treatment of heart diseases. Arjuna is reported to be a potential beneficial herb in treating heart problems since 1200 BC. Arjuna bark is said to be the most effective in treating heart disorders. Half teaspoonful powder should be taken along with a glass full of water every day. It works as a fantastic heart tonic. Arjuna bark along with pomegranate fruit rind powder in equal proportion is very effective to promote healthy cholesterol levels. That is, it helps to increase HDL and keep the heart healthy as it has super antioxidant properties. Now next herb, Lasan. The botanical name of this herb is Allium sativum and in English it's called garlic. Coming to the action, Lasan is a herb that has been used both as a food and medicine for many centuries. It is frequently used for the treatment of many cardiovascular diseases, including high cholesterol, heart diseases, and hypertension, that is high BP. The cholesterol lowering effects of garlic have been examined in a number of clinical trials for hypercholesteremia, CHD, diabetes, and other CVDs. Garlic also lowers blood pressure levels. Garlic acts as an anticoagulant, thus thinning the blood and protecting from strokes and heart attacks. Coming to the formulation, soak one garlic bulb in a bottle of vinegar for one night. Eat the cloves next morning. Follow this practice for 3 consecutive months. It is said to be very effective in the management of hypertension and cholesterol level. Raw garlic is also very effective in cholesterol management and is also said to be a blood purifier that is helpful in resolving cardiac problems. And next herb, anar. Botanical name of this herb is Punica granatum, and in English it is called pomegranate. Coming to the action, anar has been used in several systems of medicine for a variety of ailments. It holds blood purifying and cardiotonic properties, maintaining overall heart health. It is beneficial in cardiovascular disease. Pomegranate juice contains antioxidants like soluble polyphenols, tannins, and anthocyanins, having anti-atherosclerotic properties. In a study, it improved conditions of the patients with myocardial perfusion, coronary heart disease, also known as CHD, and myocardial ischemia significantly. Coming to the formulation, frequent intake of pomegranate juice can maintain good flow of the blood in the body. Along with this, it decreases the risk of heart attack and heart strokes. One glassful of juice is said to be very effective. The juice prevents blood clots in the heart and arteries, also urinary retention. The seeds prevent blood platelets from coagulating and forming clots. Next herb, tulsi. Botanical name of this plant is Ocimum sanctum, and in English it's called holy basil. Coming to the action, tulsi is perhaps the most common of all household plants in India. Tulsi is used to enhance immunity and metabolic functions. Tulsi has cardiac depressant properties and it acts as a cardiotonic and purifies blood. It has a positive effect over blood pressure and also it is detoxicant. Apart from these, researchers have shown that it is very effective in reducing blood sugar and blood cholesterol. Coming to the formulation, drink a cup of tulsi tea every day. Tulsi is thought to open the heart and mind and give love, compassion and faith. The indigenous knowledge about tulsi suggests that regular intake of tulsi leaves and seeds are good for your heart. Modern researchers have found it beneficial in managing heart problems. It has a strong presence of magnesium that keeps arteries healthy, thereby improving blood flow and oxygen in the body. The potassium present in it keeps blood pressure in check which in turn ensures a healthy heart. Next herb, Haridra. The botanical name of this herb is Curcuma longa, and in English it's known as turmeric. Coming to the action, Haridra is one among the cardiotonic herbs that strengthens the heart and the circulatory system. Haridra is beneficial to the heart in many ways, including lowering cholesterol. By thinning down blood and clotting, it reduces the risk of stroke and heart attack. Coming to the formulation, those who suffer from cholesterol ratio management problems, Haridra or this haldi is a boon for them. One should take 2 grams turmeric powder along with glass full of lukewarm water every day. It cleanses whole heart system and also helps in better management of cholesterol, HDL, LDL ratio. Studies have found that turmeric could reduce the adhesive abilities of blood platelets, thereby preventing them from forming clots. It can also relax blood vessels and minimize heart damage after suffering a heart attack. Now the important herb, Punarnava. The botanical name of this herb is Borevia diffusa, and in English it's known as common hogweed. Coming to the action in Ayurveda, Punarnava has been described as Hridya, that means cardiac tonic, to be used in various ailments including heart stroke, high cholesterol and lipid levels. Punarnava means to make new again, hence it helps in restoring the vigor and vitality of youth and in delaying the signs of old age. Punarnava has blood cleaning effect and cleansing effect, cardiotonic effect, diuretic and hypotensive property, and it has multiple benefits in patients with cardiac diseases. Coming to the formulations with this herb, Punarnava is considered to be the plant that makes one new again. Punarnava acts to protect the heart and to improve its function. It has been used to help with heart conditions characterized by fluid retention and to support optimal kidney function. It is useful to the patients who suffer from cholesterol related problems and also to those who have undergone cardiac surgery earlier. The whole plant powder in the dose of 2 grams, if taken once in a day, manages heart functioning and is said to be good for patients having history of heart ailments. Next, the most important herb, Ashwagandha. The botanical name of this herb is Withenia somnifera, and in English it's known as Indian ginseng. Coming to the action, Ashwagandha is used as a tonic for greater vitality and longevity. It has immunity boosting and rejuvenating properties. It has traditionally been used for calming the mind and for relieving weakness. It helps to induce sleep, uplift mood and reduce anxiety. Clinical studies have confirmed that it successfully decreases blood glucose, serum cholesterol, triglycerides and LDL. It also holds diuretic effect. Coming to the formulation, Ashwagandha powder in the dose of 4 grams a day along with sugar crystals or misri or raw sugar serves as a good tonic. Even if we see the modern researches, this Ashwagandha is considered as an adaptogen, meaning it has the ability to protect the body against the harmful effects of chronic stress and restore or retain normal functioning. Studies done on animals have shown that the root offers antioxidant protection against free radicals, helping to reduce cellular stress and the inflammatory responses to that stress. So, work with your qualified Ayurvedic physician. Make use of these medicinal plants for healthy heart. Let the good health prevail. So, hope you have enjoyed this topic and enlightened. In the next program, we will be meeting with another interesting and important topic. Shatam Jiva Sarado Vardhamanaha. Shatam Hemantan Shatam Vasantan. Live your entire life with excellent health and total happiness. Take care of yourself. Subham.
డాక్టర్ చిరుమామిళ్ళ మురళీ మనోహర్, ఎండి, ఆయుర్వేదం, రక్ష ఆయుర్వేదిక్ సెంటర్, సార్డి స్టూడియోస్ రోడ్, ఆపోజిట్ స్టేట్ హోమ్, అమీర్పేట్, హైదరాబాద్ 73. ఫోన్ 9177445454.